Hello student, today we are going to learn overview of C programming. A brief introduction of C programming. What is C? First, introduction of C language. The C language is one of the popular programming language one of the important programming language used to write computer programs for variety of application for various fields. It was developed by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Laboratories of USA in 1972. Okay. Now, what is the importance of C? What is the importance of C? C is reliable. C is reliable means dependable, simple and easy to use. It is one of the most popular computer languages today because of its structure, high-level abstraction, machine-independent features, etc. C has flexible features, means easily modified its characteristics to write program for mathematical, scientific, engineering and commercial applications. Operating system program such as Windows, Unix, Linux are written in C languages. Okay. Now, what is the history of C? What is the history of C? Initially, at Bell Laboratories, a language was designed known as Basic Combined Programming Language, in short form BCPL, okay, which was later in next time called as B, in short form of BCPL. Okay. Later, Richie give some effort and became successful to launch a language which was actually a successor of language B. Hence, the new language was given the name of C. New languages was given the name of C. Okay. It is clear, my student? Thank you.